Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be doing a little walk around on this beautiful truck here. We got two of them. They came from the same brothers. If you can't tell, they got the same wheels on each one of them. This one's lowered. We just walked around this one right here. We're getting ready to take it for a test drive. We're going to walk around this one first and do the same. So if you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I post walk around and test drive videos of everything on the lot. This one here is a 1967 C10 pickup with a 327 under the hood. Got power steering, disc brakes on the front, drum in the rear. And I got close to 100 detailed pictures of this one. Just go to maplemotors.com, financing and shipping information, plus those pictures and all of our inventory. We put all new inventory on there every Monday. Getting ready to get started here, point out all these flaws. That way you know everything before you get here. Start up here in the front. See what we can find. Picking out the flaws. Front bumper on this one's been on here a little bit. You can see a little bit of haziness popping up on top. Some light scratches. The grill on this one is in pretty good shape. I did just wipe it off, wash it, because they stripped the road over there and it's caused all kinds of dust. So I'm having to wash these cars a couple times a day. Very clean up under the hood, both fenders, the firewall. Little light scratch up here on top. Got some chips popping up on this fender right here. Wheels are nice, US mags, good tires. A little bit of rust popping up in the corner there on the passenger side. Coming on down, you can see a few chips and a scratch mark there. A couple chips there and scratch up here and a chip in the corner. All the trim has been blacked out. Door handle's been replaced. A little haziness on the paint job there. Y'all see that? It's up here too. Looks like clear coat's coming off. A crack back here. And there. Some more haziness on the clear coat. That's a bird got it after I washed it, I assume. Got some bubbles popping up on the inside there. Bumper's been replaced on the back. It looks fairly new. Got some paint missing on the edges. Little chip here on top, tailgate, all the way across, got little chips. Same thing's going on this side. Chip up here on the rail. Definitely some clear coat coming off around the gas tank, probably where people are overfilling it. Lots of little chips. That right there is wiping off. It's just dirt. Let's come on back this way a little bit. Got some light scratching back here on the bed, and there's a crack right in here. There's a chip on the step there. See, this door's got some little blotches and stuff in it. Little chips like that all around. Checking the bottom of this door for any kind of rust. It's pretty clean on the bottom. Just a lot of little specks. Kind of a dirty paint job, you know. Lots of chips on this side. All right, we made it all the way around this one.
Yeah, if you look at the last 10 years.
We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now. Door panel's in good shape on this one. Weather stripping. It's on the inside of the door, but we'll go ahead and let you look at the bottom side of the door here. Weather stripping looks pretty good on the inside of the door. There's a little crack back here. Got the rubber flooring, which I like. Cloth seat, it's in good condition, not all tore up. Headliner, pretty good. Go ahead and place your bets on this one. Do you think this one works? The dash is in pretty good shape. Start it up. Starts up nice and easy. She's still cold. You can see the temp gauge is all the way down. I just pulled it up here to make this video. I don't know if this works or not. Don't look like it. Looks like it needs a blower motor, needs a radio. Windshield wipers are missing. Let's see if they even work. They're not turning. The little switch thing's gone on the dash. I'm just turning a little knob, but the nubs out here are not turning, so the windshield wipers are going to need work. Horn does not work. Oil pressure, it's come up. Voltmeter's not hooked up. And it's showing 64,000 miles. I cannot stand behind that. This is a 67 model. Tilt column. Got a good sound. I shut the hood down. It comes down fairly easy. You got to push though. It's not falling by itself. Little crack here on the hood. Lots of little blemishes like that. All these little white blemishes. Paint job is not perfect on this one. All right, guys, getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots here. We're gonna start up in the front. You can check out those 100 detail pictures on my website. That's maplemotors.com. That's where you can find the financing and shipping information, including all of our inventory as well. Let's look up under this one. I do appreciate y'all watching. Like I said earlier, the website is full of information for you to help you out quite a bit, but we're getting ready to do a test drive on this one too. So we're going to take this down the road, point out all the flaws that I can, and that way you know everything about the vehicle. You watch this video and the test drive, I mean, you pretty much know what it is. We also got those pictures on the website, or you can give us a call, 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. Try to get you hooked up with an old classic. We got a whole lot full of them. All right, guys. Be looking for that test drive. The last 30 seconds of this video, or just type in 1967 C10 pickup, Maple Motors in the YouTube search bar. If you have trouble finding them, do hashtag stock numbers. So this will be hashtag 788. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys.